video we are going to cook a staple in our house, a dish that many people call meatless meatballs, but we just simply call it lentil balls. If you're vegan or try to introduce more plant-based meals in your diet, this may be one of the easy ones to try and delicious as well. You will need lentils. I soaked them overnight and I'm going to rinse them. Onion. I just only have the red one, but you can use any. Garlic. Spices. I'm going to be using cumin seed, cayenne pepper, regular pepper, and turmeric.
Okay.
Freeze them and store them for about 2-3 months. And frozen, they look like this. Just throw them in the oven with something or with tomato sauce on it for about 30 minutes and they'll be done. You can fry them if you want. If you like to deep fry them, they'll be probably the best. But you don't have to, you can just bake them. Put the balls in tomato sauce and make them on the stove on a pot for about the same 30-40 minutes.